My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the Bachelor of Computer Applications 4th semester subject Data Science using Python, as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Unit 2 first important short question is: what is expressions? What is an expression in Python? In Python, an expression is a combination of values, variables, and operators that gives a result or value when run. You can think of an expression like a math problem you solve. Example: A is equal to 10. B is equal to 5. C is equal to A plus B. Here, A plus B is an expression. It uses values of A and B, and the plus operator to give a result, 15. That result is stored in C. Types of expressions: arithmetic expression, 5 plus 3, x asterisk y. String expression, hello plus world. Logical expression, 5 3, A is equal to B. Easy trick to remember. Expression is equal to anything that gives a value. So, in Python, whenever you write something that gives a result, you are using an expression. Next important short question is: 2. What is operator precedence? What is operator precedence in Python? Operator precedence means the order in which Python solves different operations in an expression. Just like in maths, BODMAS tells us what to solve first, brackets, orders, division. Python also follows a priority list for operators. Example: result is equal to 10 plus 5 asterisk 2. Print result. What will happen here? Python does multiplication first, so it becomes 10 plus 5 asterisk 2 is equal to 10 plus 10 equals 20. If you want addition first, use brackets. Result is equal to 10 plus 5 asterisk 2 hash gives 30. Common precedence order, top to bottom. 1 brackets first. 2 asterisk asterisk power. 3 asterisk percent multiplication, division. 4 plus addition, subtraction. Easy trick. Remember BODMAS, Python follows similar rules. So, operator precedence decides which part of the expression is solved first. Next important short question is: 3. What is the differentiate between break and continue? Difference between break and continue in Python. In Python, both break and continue are used inside loops, like for or while, to control how the loop runs. Break stops the loop completely. The program comes out of the loop. Example: for I in range 1, 6. If I is equal to 3. Break. Print I. Output 1, 2. Stops at 3. Continue. Skips the current step, but the loop keeps running. Used when you want to skip certain values. Example: for I in range 1, 6. If I is equal to 3. Continue. Print I. Output 1, 2, 4, 5. Skips 3. Easy trick. Break is equal to break the loop. Continue is equal to skip and continue the loop. Next important short question is: 4. Explain about variable scope. What is variable scope in Python? Variable scope means the area or part of the program where a variable can be used or accessed. There are two main types of variable scope. 1. Local scope. A variable declared inside a function. It can be used only within that function. Example. Definite greet. Name is equal to Amit. Print name. Greet. Hush print name. This will give an error outside scope. 2. Global scope. A variable declared outside all functions. Can be used anywhere in the program. Example. Name is equal to Priya. Definite show. Print name. Show. Print name. Easy trick to remember. Local is equal to inside function. Global is equal to outside function. So, scope tells us where a variable lives and can be used in your Python code. Next unit 2 important. Long questions. First important long question is 1. Discuss about tuple assignment and operators. What is a tuple in Python? A tuple is a collection of items just like a list, but it is unchangeable, immutable. It is written using round brackets. Example. My underscore tuple is equal to 10, 20, 30. You cannot change the values once the tuple is created. Tuple assignment. Tuple assignment means assigning values to multiple variables at the same time using a tuple. Example 1. Simple assignment. A, B is equal to 5, 10. Print A, hash output 5. Print B, hash output 10. This is also called unpacking the tuple. Example 2. Swapping values. X, Y is equal to 1, 2. X, Y is equal to Y, X. Print X, Y, hash output to 1. This is a smart way to swap values without using a third variable. Tuple operators. You can use some operators with tuples. 1. Concatenation, plus. Join two tuples. T1 is equal to 1, 2. T2 is equal to 3, 4. Print T1 plus T2, hash output 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Repetition asterisk. Repeat the tuple. T is equal to 5, 6. Print T asterisk 2. Hash output 5, 6, 5, 6. 3. Membership, in, not in. Check if an item exists. T is equal to 1, 2, 3. Print 2 in T, hash output true. Print 5 not in T, hash output true. Easy trick to remember. Tuples is equal to fixed values. Assignment is equal to give values at once. Operators is equal to join, repeat, check. Summary. Tuples are like lists but cannot be changed. You can assign multiple variables using tuple assignment. You can use operators like plus, asterisk, in with tuples. Next important long question is 2. Discuss in brief about various types of functions. What is a function in Python? A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. It helps us to reuse code and organize programs better. To create a function, we use the definite keyword. Types of functions in Python. 1. Built-in functions. These are functions already provided by Python. You can use them directly. Examples. Print displays output. Lay returns the length of a string or list. Type tells the data type. Sum adds numbers in a list. Print lay India hash output 5. 2. User-defined functions. These are functions created by you for specific tasks. Syntax. Definite greet. Print hello students. Greet hash output hello students. You can also pass parameters, values, to these functions. Example. Definite add a, b. Return a plus b. Print add 3, 5, hash output 8. 3. Lambda functions, anonymous functions. These are small one-line functions without a name. Used for simple tasks. Example. Square is equal to lambda x, x asterisk x. Print square, 4, hash output 16. Easy trick to remember. Built-in is equal to already there. User-defined is equal to you create. Lambda is equal to one-line shortcut. Summary. Functions save time and reduce code repetition. There are three main types: built-in, user-defined, and lambda. Use functions to make your programs clean, smart, and reusable. Next important long question is 3. Explain chained conditionals with suitable examples. What are chained conditionals in Python? Chained conditionals are used when you have multiple conditions to check one after the other. Instead of just using one if, we use if, elif, and else together. This is helpful when you want to check for different possibilities and perform different actions. Syntax. If condition 1. Hash do this. Elif condition 2. Hash do something else. Else. Hash do this if none are true. Example 1. Student marks result. Marks is equal to 75. If marks is equal to 90. Print grade A. Elif marks is equal to 75. Print grade B. Elif marks is equal to 50. Print grade C. Else. Print fail. Output grade B. Python checks each condition from top to bottom. As soon as one condition is true, it runs that block and skips the rest. Small blue diamond example 2. Temperature check. Temp is equal to 35. If temp 40. Print too hot. Elif temp 25. Print normal weather. Else. Print cold weather. Output normal weather. Easy trick to remember. If first condition. Elif else if, check next condition. Else final option, if nothing else matches. Think of it like a chain of questions. If not this, then that, and if nothing, do this. Summary. Chained conditionals allow you to check multiple choices. Use if, elif, and else to write clean and clear decision-making code. Saves time and avoids writing too many separate if statements. Next important long question is 4. Write a note on function composition in Python. What is function composition in Python? Function composition means combining two or more functions in such a way that the output of one function becomes the input of another. It's just like using tools one after another. You use the result of one tool and pass it to the next one. Why use function composition? To write clean and short code. To reuse simple functions together. To avoid repeating logic. Simple example. Let's say you have two functions. Definite double, kiss smiley. Return x asterisk 2. Definite add underscore 5, kiss smiley. Return x plus 5. Now, we want to apply both functions to a number, one after the other. Num is equal to 3. Result is equal to add underscore 5, double, num, hash first double, 3, 6, then add underscore 5, 6, 11. Print, result, hash output, 11. This is function composition. We are composing double and add underscore 5 together. Another example. Definite square, kiss smiley. Return x asterisk x. Definite subtract underscore 2, kiss smiley. Return x 2. Final underscore result is equal to square, subtract underscore 2, 6. Hash subtract underscore 2, 6 is equal to 4, square, 4 is equal to 16. Print final underscore result hash output 16. Easy trick to remember. Always start reading from innermost function. Use the output of 1 as the input for the next. It's like function B, function A, value. Summary. Function composition means using functions inside other functions. It helps in clean and powerful coding. Always remember to start from the inside out.